Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are here on Barangay Pangil Amadeo, East-West Highway, and we have here a property na napakalaki guys, yung concrete roads, and malamig ang weather kahit 3 PM right now. We will be having a 12 meters na entrance po yan, na concrete road with drainages, and this property po is situated actually in the heart of Metro Tagaytay, just around 15 minutes from Tagaytay. And this project will have a landscape entrance, will be having swimming pool, and there will be also a clubhouse, no? So meron tayo dito mga commercial lots, yung mga nandito sa entrance, which is located dito, may mga 400 square meter, 200. Ayan, yung mga commercial lots natin na pwede nyong tayuan ng business in the future, no? Like, ito po yung magiging tsura nito is parang mga Vermosa or Maple Grove, if you are familiar with those, no? So this one, tinuturo ko dito, ito yung 12 meters road na highway, and nandyan mismo yung 413 square meter and 400 na commercial lot na magkatabi po. And ayan na mismo yung highway. So sa future, if you are planning to build a business like coffee shop, restaurant, or other business, is this one is definitely a property that I could advise, no? Dahil ito pong East-West Road is connect yung Silang to Amadeo, to Mendez, to Indang, going to Nasugbu, Batangas, no? So napakaganda po yung kalsada na to. So right now is ongoing development po yung ating projects. So dito guys, meron naman tayo dito mga commercial lots na available po. Magkakatabi siya guys, 200, 200, and 400 square meter, and meron ding 600 na commercial lot, and yan lang mismo yung highway. So dito guys, ang kagandahan po is magkakaroon kasi to ng mga residential and farm lots, no? Doon pa sa ibang area. So lahat po ng residents is isa lang po yung papasukan, and isa lang din yung magiging exit. So in a way, yung commercial lots, you will be having clients in the future, yung mga nakatira rin dito, and yung mga dumadaan from the expressway, Calax, tapos pupunta sila halimbawa ng Paindang or Panasugbu. Ayan. So dyan yung mga residential lots. And now guys, ipapakita ko yung drone shot para mas ma-appreciate nyo po siya in here. So ito palang project natin guys is pwede po siyang installment ng 3 years to 5 years. Ang requirements po natin is 2 valid IDs lamang po. And included na po sa price natin yung mga transfer fees. So, included na po siya. And free transfer of title na po siya. Tapos, dito po sa mga commercial lot, no? May mga available pa naman po. May residential. Sa farm lots po natin, meron din. Sa farm lots, meron po mga 1,000 square meter, 700 and 600. So, kagandahan dito sa highway na to guys. This is one of the, yung undergoing na magiging busy roads in the future po. Guys, yung sample na itsura ng ating projects kapag tapos na po siya. So, actually, ito is Silang Cavite din siya. Ganito yung mga sample natin ng mga finished projects. So, no required house design po siya. As you could see, depende po sa owner kung ano yung gusto nyo ipatayo na house. Ayan. So, different designs po yan. Magkakaiba po yung mga bubong. And pwede rin po magpagawa sa contractor nyo. And yan guys, may mga linya na rin yung Meralco for electricity. And meron na rin siyang water. At makikita nyo guys, malapad yung mga concrete roads dyan. Ayan. So, perfect na perfect siya for the getaway property. Meron ding basketball court. Merong multi-purpose hall and playground. Na talagang perfect na perfect para sa small family or you are with your kids para healthy living. Actually, maganda rin mag-walking dito. Lalo pagka madaling araw is naghahamog po dito. Dahil this property, ito pong develop na project natin is just around 8 minutes to Tagaytay boundary, no? Kaya napakalamig po talaga ng weather niya. So, ayan po yung ating video. Maraming salamat sa panonood. If you were interested, message nyo lang ako on my Viber or WhatsApp. Ayan po. Or if you are actually happy with this video, kindly hit yung ating subscribe button. And syempre, share more into other people. Baka naman magkaroon tayo ng other properties na magustuhan ninyo.